Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you one feature that is usually overlooked with templates. You may have seen this option on the concept registry to auto-apply templates, right? But what about this one? Auto-apply similar templates, pictures, sounds, etc. How this actually works, right? Let me show an example that it will not work. And that is penen for Chinese. The topic template, it's article picture, okay, that's built in, SuperMemo. And the item template, it's tone.i, that's my convention. So that's a custom template. And here I have one random example using this template. So you can see here I only have two HTML components and a sound component. I don't have an image. Nice. So what I will do is I will try to paste an image and see what happens. Nice. Okay, so paste. Okay, what happens here is that now this will have become no template. How is that possible? Why I haven't been prompted to apply a template having a picture? Let's say item picture, one of the defaults, right? Oh, that's because the convention, how SuperMemo is expect to have the naming of the templates. So let's do something. Now I will use this as an example, save the template, and I will call the same name it had before, tone.i, white space picture with capital P. Nice, let me apply it. So now we have this one, no tone.i, and the same with an image. Nice, perfect, let me select this one. Okay, so let's use another example. Look, the template, it's tone.i. But now I have the template that is the same with the convention white space picture. So if I copy another picture, let's say this one. Voila! Now I have the prompt. Do you want to apply a similar template? And look at the name. So if you want to have a template that for items or articles, I mean topics, doesn't matter. One without pictures and the other with pictures. You have to use the same name and append to the name white space and picture with capital P. It's unfortunate that this is hard-coded, but it's pretty convenient if you want to use it. And just one little detail that it's been, I don't know, many months I no longer use this. That is why I use my own convention for naming, because I don't rely on doing this. Why? Because all my templates for items have images, so I do not need to add it. What will happen is that sometimes it will be empty.